Blur, your auto clicker should be scared now. Also, the hell? You want to charge 10 bucks in the future for a macro? Madness. For real, don't trust this guy's smooth voice. Hello, you might not know me. I own a site called topatch.com. With me knowing how to code before AI, and with the power of using AI, I can make tools nearly effortlessly. Well, unless the AI is feeling stupid that day. Alright, let's get right to the benchmarks. First of all, Blur, what click speed tester are you even using? I can't find it at all. Second, let's ruin your credibility by me using multiple sources this time. So far, something is already wrong. It doesn't work with my click tracker anymore. I wonder why that is. Oh, I'm gonna fix that. Well, after some food poisoning and fixing this, I'm back. So basically it came down to my click tracker was stealing focus of windows in Windows. You can't make this stuff up. I mean, that's the best way I can explain it. And also just saying my auto clicker works, cause I made sure it can click in anything. Alright, with all that cleared up, so how's the CPS? Well, that all took some time. Now in my new ClickMeter software, that isn't a window anymore as you can see by the X. It's about the same as mine now for CPS, but this is a benchmark after all, so we must find other problems. And I indeed did find other problems. I do remember him saying something though. What was it?
After every single click, so that the speed always stays accurate, no matter how long you run it.
Well, I'm not here to judge on capability or any of that. I use AI a lot, so, I ain't no better. But, basically, what I do is a lot of just play testing and use AI to make the software. The only real problem, though, is it really all comes down to the libraries you use and the logic. And most importantly, out of anything, guess how Steam got so good is playtesting. So what about my auto clicker? Well, this is why I mentioned playtesting. My CPS is terrible whenever the click tracker is open, due to the adjustments made while making AI go through Blur's code. The AI noticed why was due to Blur using batch inputs. So I tell the AI, allow most types of inputs for clicks. In doing so, I have crippled my auto clicker's CPS. So here's what I recommend. Try out this version and the last version of ClickMeter to get the real perspective. Because every auto clicker abuses the Windows API differently out there. And every computer setup is different, apps, CPU, hugely a CPU would make a difference, I would assume. Seriously, me benchmarking doesn't mean much. Try it out on your own apps and see what happens. I'm just glad I'm another option out there that has an auto clicker and macro in one. Go check out mine and Blur's auto clicker. As you can see, the results vary dramatically. I don't even need third sources or whatever to show you. And hey, thanks for everyone who stayed around, and the 60 downloads, I somehow have so far. I was only expecting around like 5, so just wow. And the amount of comments are great, and very few that were actually negative, which shocks me. And the only comment worth mentioning though, I had to get rid of it due to swears, but it was talking about me not being open source, and to that I have to say, I would think you would have a much greater risk of getting a virus from open source, just purely due to the amount of people working on it, And also, dude, my stuff's free and you're talking about, oh, this is who I really am? Look, Blur wants to charge 10 bucks for a macro. I made this macro rather quickly. Macro ain't that hard to make. Especially nowadays. Alright, I'll see ya.
when we look at this journey, early on when we were born, and it's a journey that has many markers. We're born, we learn to walk, we ride a bike, we go to school, we get a car, we graduate school, we may go on to a job, but when we look at this journey,